Hello, welcome back to SAP Business One Tips channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to create user-defined object. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, so SAP Business One Tips channel will grow. User-defined object function is to add new objects to SAP Business One, so that you can customize it yourself to add new objects that are not yet in the SAP Business One standard. You can create two types of objects, namely master data and document. Master data, for example, such as business partners, master data items, and others. While documents such as our invoice, delivery, good receipt PO already has various SAP Business One standard functions to create a default form. So it does not require the addition of add-ons to add simple objects. Here is how to create user-defined object. Enter to Tools menu, Customization Tools, and choose Objects Registration Wizard. The User-Defined Objects window will appear and then click Next. Select Add a new object, then click Next. Fill in the unique ID UDA name. The name can be anything without spaces, because if there are spaces, it will experience problems when uploading DTW. Select the UDA type, master data or document. Select the table user-defined table that have been created and click Next. On the Setting service, adjust to your needs, then click Next. This new object will be able to be used to find, delete, and cancel the logging. Choose the default form style and where this new object will be shown or placed in the menu, then click Next. For example, the object will use header line style, and it will be placed as the second submenu under menu ID 3072. Setting any field to display in the default form, then click Next. Select the table child if any and click Next. Set the field you want to display from child table, then click Next. After that, click Finish, then click Finish again. The menu will be created automatically, according to the place that we have set before. Here is an example of the default form that we generate through UDO. Okay, thanks for watching the video SAP tips from us. If you want to watch more tips video, please click the link above. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also turn on the bell button so you can get notifications for the latest videos from us. Bye. See you in the next video.